and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hi kids! Did you know there are mermaids that live underwater? Would you like to make a mermaid today? Yes, let's do it! Let's start by making her long hair and her face. That was simple, wasn't it? Make her eyes and a mouth. Are you with me? Now let's make her body. I wish I was a mermaid. Life would be so much fun living underwater. Mermaids have a tail. Let's make a tail. Our mermaid is ready. Let's make her friends. And some seaweed. Ta-da! Our drawing is ready. Let's give it an outline. Now, let's have some fun and paint it. Paint her body and face with skin color. I do get dreams that I am a mermaid though. Paint her hair pink. Yay! We're almost done! Paint the bubbles. Don't forget to paint the shells orange. Keep painting. Paint the seaweed green. Paint the necklace blue. Our mermaid is ready for the ocean. Hope you guys had fun. Hello kids, let's learn how to draw a castle today. Start with the entrance of the castle. We'll add a wall to the right and left too. Great job! Now let's add a tower. With a little heart on top. For the main tower, let's make it bigger and add a window too. Let's draw a smaller tower once again. And done! Let's paint with pretty glitter colors. A sea green color first. And some sea green. And golden again. Just like that. A lovely gold for a grand center wall. And red for the gate. Orange for the heart. Then purple. Gold. Green. A dark pink. A light pink too. And some sea green color. And gold again. Now on the next one, blue first. And once again, purple. Gold. Green. A dark pink. Use blue. And light pink too. Let's use a dark pink for the rest of the tower. We're almost done, kids. Let's repeat the same colors once again. And our tower is done. Let's not forget the window. Use blue and gold. Wow! We did such a wonderful job. Here is our magical castle. Hey kids! Today we're going to draw a lovely butterfly. Let's start with its wings, small body, another wing and its antennas. That was super easy. Let's add the pretty details too. Curvy lines and small circles. Wow! It's looking great! Time to paint. Let's start with a beautiful golden color to fill in the body. And some of the details too. On to some red color. And green. Some lovely blue. And here comes pink. Let's go for purple. Some teal now. Let's finish off with some magenta. So colorful and magical. A lovely, beautiful butterfly.